Sticker Mountain's website just got an update, and we want to show you how to order embellishments-free labels with ease. Let's go! First, select Start Label Order. If you don't know the difference between stickers and labels, you can check out our video here. We're going to choose labels since you can only do embellishments for labels. Now, you can easily choose your product details from one page. First, type how many you need, the type of material you want it printed on, the type of lamination, which now includes our premium soft touch matte lamination. If you're not sure what this is, check out our video here. Then, select the shape, the direction you want your design coming off the roll, and finally enter in the size. Now you can easily add the additional effects you want on your label. Simply select Raise Spot UV and/or the type of foil you want to apply it on top. If you want to learn more about any of these embellishments, check out our playlist here. Next, you can easily see a live quote down in the bottom right-hand corner of how much your sticker or label will be. This makes it easy for you to make quick adjustments and not have to wait on us for a quote. Finally, upload and name your artwork and leave any special notes for us below. This is where you can tell us which parts of your design you would like to have those special effects. Once an artist gets a hold of your order, you can easily communicate any changes you need. Then, add to cart. From here, you can still make any updates to your items or even quickly duplicate or remove products. Once everything looks great, proceed to checkout and wait up to 24 hours for your digital art proof to arrive in your inbox. Click the link to review your artwork and let us know if any changes are needed to be made. Once you click approve, then send, it takes about 48 hours for us to create your label masterpiece. Have any more questions? Check out this playlist or visit our website for additional resources and help. Sticker Mountain, the best part of us is to be a part of you.